difficulties, etc. But actually, whole thing, if we will try to understand, easily we can understand. You want baby, when in the lap of mother, he is passing stool, passing urine.
Yeah.
Mother eating, passing stool.
Yeah.
The mother not throwing that baby. The Krishna also not throwing. What wrong we are doing, it is wrong for this environment, for this world's different kind of law. But actually, on the whole, that is circulating with one law. Alatha Chakravarti, they are telling, yeah, in the Jyotishi
Orbit.
Orbit, law going on that way. Actually, Krishna does not want to break anything. And Krishna, sin, it is no loss for them. Always gainful. We are telling Bhagavan ja karen mangaler jonne. God was doing that is good for us. And we are depending upon God. All the religion, they all following that rules and regulation, but not same way maybe. American law or Indian law not maybe same, but generally, aharo nidra bhaya maithunancha samanname tat pasuvir naranam. And religion is the basis of all society. And they are following that rules and regulations. When bad, killing the deer, and person killing deer, same result not will come. Bad তুমি হরিণ মারো অল্প দোষ তোমার. Narad Goswami telling, bad তুমি হরিণ মারো অল্প দোষ তোমার. It is your